So here's Hiccups for Elephant. So this is kind of just a funny story. It is written by James Preller, so he was the author, and then the illustrator who drew all the pictures is Hans Wilhelm. It was nap time. All the animals were fast asleep. Except for Elephant. He had the hiccups. Hiccup! Chimp woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Chimp said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. That would be hard. I don't think I could stand on my head right now. Elephant gave it a try. Kaboom! It only made him dizzy. Oh my goodness, he fell. Hiccup! Lion woke up. Lion looks kind of mad. I can cure those hiccups, Lion said. Drink lots of water, very, very fast. Think that'll help? Elephant gave it a try. He drank and drank and drank and drank. Hiccup. Zebra woke up. I can cure those hiccups, said Zebra. Hold your breath and count to 10. Backwards. Ooh, see if you can do it with him. You gotta hold your breath. You don't have to hold your breath, but let's count backwards. Elephant gave it a try. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hiccup. Mouse woke up. Look at Mouse. Is he happy? I don't think so. What's all the noise? Mouse asked. I am trying to sleep. Poor Elephant has the hiccups, exclaimed Chimp. Mouse looked at Elephant in the eye. Boo! He shouted. Everyone waited and waited, but there were no more hiccups. Works every time, Mouse said. All the animals fell back to sleep. Except for Elephant. Chew! Uh-oh. Now he's going to sneeze. I don't think the animals are going to be very happy, are they? Have a great day.